Hi guys, welcome back to another video from JBL Tech and More. And in this video, we have the JBL TUNE 120 TWS. We'll be conducting a review as well as a sound test. So let's start. So as you can see, these are the wireless buds. So coming to the build quality of the case of the earbuds is made out of hard plastic with the JBL engrossing on it. The case has its charging port located on the bottom, which is quite easily accessible. The earbuds inside have a nice build, which mainly consists of silicone as well as plastic. The left earpiece has button commands to either skip the next track or previous track. The right earpiece has button commands to either hang up or answer a call, play or pause the ongoing track, and to also activate Google Assistant, Bixby or Siri. Moving towards the sound quality, these truly wireless earbuds give a good overall mixture of sound, bass and treble. But to be more specific, JBL has emphasized more on pure bass. These earbuds are powered by 5.8mm drivers. The sound produced can go to as low as 20 Hz and to a maximum of 20 kHz. JBL claims a maximum battery life of 16 hours, where the earbuds itself give a maximum playback time of 4 hours, whereas the case gives an additional 12 hours. JBL also claims that within 15 minutes of charge, you get up to 1 hour of playback time on the earbuds. As per my testing, the earbuds lasted for 3 hours, whereas the case approximately gave an additional 10 hours. The comfort offered by these earbuds is quite good, even if you use it for long periods of time. I didn't face any slipping out of the ear problems. Here's a basic audio sample. Mostly you won't feel the bass coming in, so I'll let you know when it does. Have a look at the sound waves on the recorder screen. This is the best which I could capture. So yeah. Here's another audio sample while on a call.
Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to another video from JBL Tech and More. This audio sample has been recorded in an outdoor environment with light traffic on the JBL TUNE 120 TWS.
So that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye guys.